Alright guys, I'm back out here today working on the Braden M6 PTO winch. This parallel key has been stuck. I've been soaking it with Croil for the last 3 or 4 weeks and putting heat to it, tapping on it with a hammer, and it's finally started to move. And the only way it's done that, you go back to my video library. I made this vice grip tool for the slide hammer, so we'll get this put back on there and see if we can't get the rest that keyway to pull the rest of the way out, and we'll continue disassembling the winch. There it is. Yeah, you can tell it was rusted in there pretty good. That's good news. It's been a thorn in my side for the last month. All right. Nastiness. You guys can see, obviously the shiny marks is where the bearings have been. All of this is light rust, it's still light rust, and that is just heavy, nasty, scaly disgustingness. Obviously that drum hasn't been greased in quite a while. It's oh yeah, that's all kinds of loveliness in there. I might have to take that down to machine shop and have them throw it in their hot tank for me, just to try and get all that gunk out of there. Alright, I'm going to go and get my 8-point sockets and my drain plug sockets. I'll get that cleaned up. Get a oil pan over here. We'll crack that open and see what comes out, if anything. And then we'll start tearing a bunch of the rest of this apart, see what's inside. I've never tore one apart before, so we'll find out. So there's the drain plug hole, and that thing has got nothing but tons of nice sludge buildup. So yeah, that's just lovely. I think it's probably safe to say there's not any oil in there. So the next step is to get that hub off of there, at least try to anyways, and then I'll see about tearing apart the other side of the gear case. So I'm going to hose some of this down with penetrating oil, put some heat to it, and see what happens. Oh, there's the input shaft. Sprocket removed. Yeah, I think there's supposed to be an oil seal goes over that. I'll see if the parts manual shows anything for that. So we'll keep going with disassembly.